morning, everyone. It's the morning. It's Thursday. I hope you're well. What have you been doing? I am in such good form today because I have all my work done and it's not even midday. How has that even happened? I need to stop shouting at you guys because it's just getting a bit out of hand. Midday, I'm not dressed, but I have been working all morning. I got a vlog done. I have a beauty video coming up. Well, it's a haul for Pretty Little Thing. So I'm just getting ready for the day now because John and I are going to go to, I think, somewhere down the country. I think we're going to KINNITTY. I think that's where he said, KINNITTY Castle or something today. John's off today. It's his day off. And I've just been working all morning to try and, like, you know, have a little bit of a day off with him because he obviously works like different kind of days. So this is our only day to kind of spend together. So I'm excited to have a little day with him. I'm just going to get dressed now and stuff like that. So I'm going to make the bed, clean the sitting room. Everything's all over the place because I haven't even had time to do that. And I suppose sort this face out as well. I totally forgot to finish last night's vlog. What happened was my battery died when I was cooking. And I put the battery on charge. So again, I'm so sorry because it's just ending, like the vlog just ends with me cooking last night, and I'm really sorry for that. I know you guys hate that so much, and I hate when I'm watching vlogs and they just like end suddenly. So I'm sorry about that. I saw a couple of tweets actually on Twitter, like obviously this is going to make no sense whatsoever because I'm talking to people who watch my vlogs already, but so many people are tweeting me and being like, where are you, what's going on, I haven't seen a beauty video from you in ages, like have you disappeared, and where are you, girl? And I'm like, I'm on my vlog channel, come over here. And I'm trying to upload to the beauty channel as much as I can, but it's just like I already explained in yesterday's video, I might find somewhere here to film, you know, because like I have good lighting where I'm sitting right here and the traffic is kind of over there, so it's not really too much disruption. So if I kind of like sat here or something, or got like a chair to sit here, or like up higher or something, I don't know, I'll figure it out with the lighting. I have light as well, so that could be another possibility. Yeah, so I'll figure it out anyway as I'm going along. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to make the bed and do all the little bits and pieces around here. I'll do a little time lapse for you, or a little like montage, like a little clean with me kind of, sort of. Nah. Anyway, we'll do that now. I'm gonna go get ready, do my makeup, get dressed because John just rang me, he's down renewing his license, and then we're gonna go and head out for the day. So I'm excited to do that. I also still need to do that day in my life video, and then I'm gonna do a morning routine and an evening routine, but I'll do them on a day where I'm not kind of like rushing out the door. Maybe we'll do it on Sunday or something like that, one of the days where it's like a little bit more relaxed and kind of not as overly busy. Hey guys, I thought I'd do like a really quick outfit of the day. I am wearing this jumper from Penny's that I got a few days ago. It's like a rolled neck, and then I'm wearing black jeans from Zara. My boots that I wore, I don't know, I got them from Public Desire. I wore them like last week as well, and then my camel jacket, so we're nice and cozy, and then just my hair is down. So that's it, let's go. We're heading out the door and John's upstairs shouting at me, where's my keys, where's my keys? I don't know where they are. There is keys. I'm gonna have to go up and have a look now because I don't know where he put them. God damn. Did you find your keys? No. Hi guys, so we are in KINNITTY Castle, or at KINNITTY Castle now. There's the castle behind me. I've never been here in my life before. I thought I recognised the name of it, but I've never been here before, and it's actually lovely. So we're gonna go on a little nature walk. We had dinner and it was lovely, or lunch, whatever. It's kind of later than lunch really and earlier than dinner, but yeah, we're gonna go for a little walk and I can't wait. I'm really excited to go through the little forests here at KINNITTY. It's such a nice countryside. I don't know, John just really likes it here. He's been here a few times. I've never been and I really like it. We're going through the forest, so that would be fun. Yeah, and I'll bring you along. Forests are so pretty here, aren't they? And the trees and everything. That's so pretty over there. Like, it's really nice. It's a gorgeous day and I just love the autumn. It's just, everything's so pretty on days like this. I'm very much excited for going on our walk. I'm just waiting for John. I don't know what he's doing. He's like getting himself organised out of the car. Oh, look. All the old stables. They're gonna have horses in them. Wow, they didn't clean them out either.
I said to do them.
Oh, do you think they do? Well, they don't use that one. That's so nice, isn't it?
There.
Oh look, there's a big crane thing. Birds eat the berries off the tree. Where the holly bears the berry. Oh wow, what is that? so cool. It's like a house. It's like something out of like the Blair Witch. There's some like tent hook things in here. That's really cool, like someone made this.
That's fast software. Look at the drop down here.
Oh, wow. So we're in the forest now and it's so cool. We found like this little hut thing that somebody obviously made. It's so cool in here. It's really, really nice. It's a gorgeous day, like the perfect day to be out doing this. Like you wouldn't really be doing it if it was like really wet or anything like that. It's just a gorgeous day and there's so much to see and like all the animals and nature, and it's so peaceful and quiet here as well. It's just lovely. I really love it. Like, listen. Just nothing. Just birds singing and animals, and I can hear insects and stuff. I don't know where John's gone to. John?
There's a deer down there.
Okay, he's down there. He found a deer. Oh, it's so nice. Really creepy in here. Oh, it's so pretty. We're up high enough, aren't we? Wow, guys, look at this old bridge. It's so cool. John just announced to me that he went across it. How long ago was that?
About a year ago.
About a year ago. Dangerous. A little tiggeen. It's really cool. We're not really sure what this is. Well, obviously like was a house, but not anymore. We think it was unfinished. On our last trip, we're gonna go in to the castle. This is the dungeon.
Look at the deer.
It's a stag, isn't it?
Yeah.
I don't really know much about my nice. So we're in the dungeon now. Woo. And we're just after finishing our walk. And we think we did about 8 to 9 kilometers. But we're out for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. And then we're just after getting a drink now, and I think we're gonna go home. But I had such a lovely day out, like walking around. It's just a really nice, adventurous day, and I hope you enjoyed it too, bringing us along. Look at this thing, what's that? So look at this, it's a water buffalo, and these are stag's horn. This is the dungeon. Ooh. Now we're in the gardens. This is very pretty here. The Great Hall of the O'Carrolls. Oh, this is the Great Hall.
Again from that.
I want that mirror.
What size are them curtains actually?
I want them curtains. So pretty. I'm in here. It's another fire. But a Book of Ireland. The chandelier. Bye bye, castle. See you soon. Hey guys, so it's 1 a.m. My battery died the last I was talking to you, and we came home here and watched a movie. We went out for dinner and then watched a movie, and now we're going to bed at 1 a.m. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to all of you guys tomorrow when I'm not so sleepy. I love you so much. Bye bye.